How do you get a reasonable line round this circumference here?
Yeah.
Because it's tricky, isn't it?
Yeah, it is, yeah. So basically what we do is you'll have one mark from the other cut there.
Yeah.
You mark it with the white chalk. And then the same on that side.
Yeah.
And then you get the middle. The border is 200 wide.
Oh, okay.
So we'll go 210 just to allow a joint. Put a couple of marks on it.
Oh, okay.
And then we just...
Freehand it round.
Yeah. Sometimes after it's cut, you need to run the saw over to sweeten it up a wee bit.
Yeah. Do you cut slightly on the angle or not?
Bit of an angle towards the good side.
Yeah.
And it's in all right. Whereas if you're cutting and you cut out the way, it'll not fit in.
Yeah. So you don't use a special blade for it. You just
no, it's just a normal concrete diamond tip blade.
Yeah. Okay, mate.
The outside edge, we put our radius point.
Oh, okay.
Up there.
Gotcha.
And then we just run the tape.
Yeah. So you know what that radius is now, don't you?
So we got a nice smooth radius right
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, that's
we
good.
actually just cut those cuts where they're sitting.
Yeah. Oh, you leave them there.
Yeah.
And then do.
Yeah.
Got it. Yeah.